Hello students, here we are going to see some important formulas of differential calculus and some examples for those formulas. First, we have a formula like x power n by n the whole power dash. This is actually read as the differentiation of x power n, which is equal to n into x power n minus 1. So for an example, I have to differentiate x power n. So here the value of n is 7. So it is similar to the first formula, right? So I am going to write the first formula and I am going to apply that formula. So it's very simple. In the place of n, I am going to put 7. So this will give us answer as 7 into x power 6. So what if I have 8 into x power 7 the whole dash? This is not similar to first formula, right? In the first formula we just have the x and the power, but in the second question I am having with the x power 7 I have one extra constant, right? So this is not similar to the first formula. Then I am going to recall the second formula, that is k into x power n the whole dash. That is the differentiation of k into x power n, which is equal to simply take that constant out k and apply the differentiation for x power n alone, n into x power n minus 1. So by using that formula I can get that k equal to 8 and n equal to 7. Simply substitute the values of k and n in the respective places. I will get like 8 into 7x power 7 minus 1. In the next step 8 into 7x power 6. This will implies 8 into 7 56 into x power 6. It's very simple, right? Just knowing the formula and picking the correct formula, you can get the correct answer very easily. So I am going to by heart the third formula as a differentiation of a power x, where a must be the constant, it should be the number. If I have 7 power x and x power 7 means this will comes under first formula and this will comes under third formula. You should know the difference. So if I use the third formula for this question, I will get an answer like 10x power the whole dash, which is equal to, just substitute the value of a in the respective places, you will get 10 power x log 10 base e. And you should remember these two formulas. That's it. Thank you.